Downloaded hidden wallpapers on macOS Tahoe can take up a huge amount of disk space on your MacBook or iMac. In this video, I'll show you how to remove downloaded dynamic wallpapers, aerial wallpapers, screensavers, and pictures to quickly free up storage space. To delete downloaded wallpapers on macOS Tahoe, open System Settings from the dock, select Wallpaper from the sidebar, and then click Show All. If you are not sure which wallpapers have been downloaded, look for wallpaper thumbnails without a download arrow. These wallpapers, which do not display a download arrow, are already stored on your MacBook or iMac SSD or hard disk drive and are taking up a large amount of disk space. Hover your mouse pointer over the wallpaper you want to remove, click the three dots in the bottom left corner, and select Remove Download. As you can see, it has been removed and the download arrow appears on its thumbnail, which means you can download it again. Repeat the same steps for landscape wallpapers, dynamic wallpapers, aerial wallpapers, and any other downloaded images. Each time, check for wallpapers without a download arrow. Right-click the three dots and click Remove Download. And that's it. You have just removed hidden downloaded wallpapers directly from System Settings. If you are looking for free Mac apps to secure and optimize your Mac's performance, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free app tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.